Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna unbox one of the items that I have ordered from Lazada. So this is the uh, VO.TEMM 4-in-1 vacuum cleaner, as you can see. So I got this because it's Lazada's 11/11 sale day. So natempt akong bilhin siya. Well, matagal ko na siyang gustong bilhin. Nagdadalawang isip lang. But I got this in Lazada much cheaper than, the advertised in O Shopping. But I think it's from O Shopping as well. Or parang, ano rin sila ng O Shopping sa Lazada. So, meron din sila dun sa Lazada. So, that's why, binili ko na siya. So, sa Lazada, I think the price is almost 3,000, like 299 I think. But I got this in Lazada dahil 11/11 sale. So I got this just for 2,625 to be exact, with the discount and all. By the way, today is November 12. I ordered this last 11 or November 11, the 11/11 Lazada day. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna unbox it later. We're gonna see what's inside of it. So hopefully, wala namang kulang. I'll be back. So there, guys. So I'm gonna open the box using this scissor. So again, this is the VO.TEMM 4-in-1 vacuum cleaner that I got from Lazada. As you can see, may sticker or meron siyang tape from O Shopping, so it looks like legit. Legit from O Shopping to Lazada. But again, as what I've said, it's much cheaper than ordering in O Shopping kasi may promo yung Lazada recently, which is the 11/11 sale. So let's try to open it up. So hopefully there's no missing parts and all, and we're gonna get a good item. So there. Go. See? So this is 600 watts. It says for the cable length it is 5 meters. It has 2-in-1 suction or 2-in-1 power like suction and blower. Dust capacity 0.8 liters. So that's the label that I can see here. Okay, so here it goes. Ano mo siyang legit from O Shopping talaga. Yung sa comments and comments dun sa may page na Lazada, yung mga nag-comment na missing parts at hindi na gumana after first usage. So hopefully this one. So ito, we have the hose. Okay. And the handle. This is the handle, I think. Of course, the manual. So there. And for this box, see what's inside. Oh, okay. So ito yung sa flooring. Wala naman siyang scratches or any, yeah, it's new. And for the second box, I think this is the cover for the blower. Okay. So, meron siyang ano dito. Okay. Another hose or nozzle, I think. And this one, I think this is the one that I'm gonna use more often kasi may brush siya. You know, for mga alikabok. And this is the strap. There's one hose here as well. Isa pa siyang hose. Oh, there's one hose. One more hose. And of course, the last thing that I found in this box is the motor itself. Mukha naman siyang okay. So there, can you see it? So hopefully this one will last for long. That's it. So guys, we're gonna try to use this VO.TEMM 4-in-1 vacuum cleaner. So I have this two tubes and a hose, and I'm gonna use this brush. I will try to use this to see if to see its power. So let's assemble the vacuum, guys. I already installed the strap here. So ito, i-connect natin tong dalawang tube, and with the hose and this nozzle with brush. So there, pinag-connect lang siya guys. So you can still use this extra tube kung masyadong malayo or mataas. So I'm gonna clean my ceiling here sa place ko, which is matagal na siyang hindi ko nalilinis. So I'm gonna try its power kung makukuha niya lahat ng alikabok. Okay? So ito yung ceiling na I will try to clean using the VO.TEMM 4-in-1 vacuum cleaner. So yung part na yan. So hopefully you can see. Alright. So again, using the nozzle with a brush, let's see kung malilinis talaga niya. So let's turn the vacuum on. So right here. So I used this nozzle na may ikot naman siya. Depende sa kung paano mo siya nililisan. powerful naman guys. Kuha naman niya. But of course, you need to scrub it or brush it para maano na yung alikabok. So ito pa, this side naman. Tatanggal naman niya actually if it's power. So there. Tatanggal na yan. Siyempre yung mga alikabok na dumikit na, I think hindi niya na kaya tanggalin, but you know, but still nakakalinis pa rin siya in all fairness. All you have to do is at least nakakabawas siya ng kailangan mo siyang punasan at least hindi na ganun ka-alikabok, but still yeah, powerful pa din naman siya. Yeah. So ito yung mga nakuha kong dust. Yan yung mga dumi. So ayan sila. Okay, it's good. So okay naman siya guys. What I can say about the product is pag binagamit mo siya, make sure tight yung pagkakakabit nyo dito sa hose and tube kasi natatanggal siya. So, but all in all, in all fairness, nakakalinis naman siya and it has a good suction. So, not bad for the price. Yeah, it's still a vacuum cleaner. So, yun guys. For me, worth it naman to buy this product. So, kung talagang you're in need of vacuuming some of your furnitures and all sa bahay nyo, I can recommend this vacuum. Simple lang, mura. Mura naman siya. Like sa mga vacuum cleaners na sobrang mahal, but same lang naman din ata. So, I think, yeah, it's good for me. The 4-in-1 vacuum cleaner by VO.TEMM. Alright, so, thank you so much guys for watching. And see you again for my next unboxing and, videos that I will record. Okay, thank you.